What's the story, guys? Today I'm going to be changing the drop links on my Subaru Forester. This is the same method as most Subarus, as I'm aware. This is a 2002 Forester, but I know it's the exact same as my Bug-Eye and my Blob-Eye and my friend's Hawkeye. So all the newer age Subarus, this should be the exact same principle for. So the culprit that I'm going to be replacing is this me drop link here. Now, one thing I've been told on lowered cars, sometimes this will give you a bit of trouble. So I'll see what happens, and then I might have some tips and tricks to help you guys install it even better.
I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass, soon as you came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip and now she remixing for low. She my track queen, let her hit the bando. We be counting up, watch how far them bands go. We just set a go, talking matching Lambos. At 56 a gram, 500 grams low. Man, I swear I love her, how she with the tempo. Hit the strip club, we be letting bands go. Everybody hate her, we just call them fans those. At 56 a gram, 500 grams low. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? She my track queen, let her hit the bando. We be counting up, watch how far the bands go. We just hit a go, talking matching Lambos. In love with the money, I ain't never letting go. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello?
When you're doing this, always check that you have the correct part. As you can see here, I do. Luckily I do. I'll show you this bushing. As you can see, there's all cracking. It's very loose. I can actually wiggle these inside it. So I pretty much know that these are shot. The telltale signs of these going is when you're driving down the road and you hit a bump and you can hear a clicking noise in your front end. That is genuinely a sign that your drop links are on the way out. They're not a dear part. Cost me €15 to get two. I'm going to put these in now, and then I'll walk through on how to do this on your own car. Thanks.
Your pretty ass, soon as you came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip and now she remixing for low. She my track queen, let her hit the bando. We be counting up, watch how far them bands go. We just set a go, talking matching Lambos. At 56 a gram, 500 grams low. Man, I swear I love her, how she with the tempo. Hit the strip club, we be letting bands go. Everybody hate her, we just call them fans though. In love with the money, I ain't never letting go.
So, as you can see, it's not a very difficult job at all. One thing I did find out, that is a 14mm bolt, and that is a 12mm bolt. So 14 and 12. It's a 2-second job as well. If you've seen there during the video, these are actually, as you can see, they're rusted on. They have never been changed, I don't think. So what I did was, to help me, was I put my my spanner in here because I couldn't get my breaker bar in, and had me spanner all the way coming out, and then jack the jack up and use the jack as a force to actually crack the bolt. Once she was cracked, you can see I could ratchet away at it. Wasn't too hard at all. Anything else? Not really. One thing as well, because she's lowered and you have her jacked up like the way I do, if you do, one thing you have to do is you have to jack up this your whole assembly here. So I hope this was a helpful video for you guys. If you have any questions, or if I didn't explain anything in detail, please drop a comment down below. Bear in mind, I do have a block nose, that's why I probably sound a bit weird, even though I sound a bit weird anyway. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you can get your drop links changed as easy as I did mine. It hasn't taken me, it's been about half an hour, my drop links are changed already. Absolutely delighted with how easy it was to do. Subaru, I think, have designed this car and thought of how people are going to have to work on these cars, which I thoroughly enjoy doing. Anyway, thank you very much. Like, comment, subscribe if you do. Drop a comment down below telling me from shit hole how I can improve my videos. Any feedback is good feedback, and thank you very much.